Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shullai haka arpunyo tre ukalalingkot arajar arpusaw ulabo yiki maunong rim nakabenta bantay hado shiphautli ki Surok haka Jinglut Kaba kot shaka khatsan pon ariway Klur tingka haka Kylleng ki benta jong ka Constituency yakini ki maunong rim uba Sanbor ulapli patba haka Jinglang kabalong ha Assam Club haringkat ka Jingdon kinong ilam Shnong iterai jaka bat ki officer katanat PWD.
Foundation soon have 10 numbers of PWD sanctioning scheme within 19 South Shillong Constituency for about 15 crore 21 lakh plus 72,000. This is the blessing of God and the blessing of each and every one of you. One, two, three.
For inauguration of 10 numbers of roads recommended by me with the support of the landowners, the Dorbar Shnong, and very, very, very thankful to the ground force of the Public Works Department of PWD, who are the backbones to go to the site in collaboration with the Dorbar Shnong, Sankantai, and Samoa, to prepare the DPR, Details Product Report, Plan Estimate, and after that, they forwarded to the government. Once it reaches the table of the government, it's my duty bound to take up these issues to get them sanctioned, right from the planning department, the finance department, up to the table of the minister of PWD and give it to the chief minister. Writing to me is very easy for each and every one of you. Just 5 minutes or by telephone. Sanbor, I need this road, I need this train, we need this, that. But it is not easy. It has to go, it has to be prepared. PWD department, the site engineers, the SDO, they have to prepare a planners meet, send it to government, planning department, finance department, and sometimes due to paucity of fund, most of the scheme has to be rejected, has to be reverted back to the concerned department due to paucity of fund. But it is a blessing of God. It's a blessing of each and every one of you that besides those schemes which are implemented, ongoing schemes are plenty all over my constituency, and with the blessing of God, we have now the newly sanctioned scheme of 10 numbers with a total amount of 15 crore 25 lakh 72,500. 10 numbers. We have also the ongoing scheme of additional water supply scheme, which we have got a sanction from the Amrut scheme, Atal Bihari Bajpai mission scheme. This is going on, which will pave way to the PHE and the municipal to commission the additional supply of water all over the greater Laban area. Lumbari, Manlaban, Lumzobho, Lumdarbar, Kanjatpur, Laban, Jumarli, Lower Laban Red Cross. It is within 1 month, I think, this scheme will be fully completed and additional water supply will be given to each and every locality within Greater Laban area, except cantonment area, we are having sufficient water supply. Eight, 9 years ago, there was a shortage of supply of water in the cantonment area. After winning the election 2013, I have taken up with the state government with permission and NOC from the PHE department, where we have given an independent right only for cantonment area. And now cantonment area people, they don't need to wake up 3 a.m. in the midnight and fetch the water. The lower water is sufficient in cantonment area, as well as within Greater Laban area. There are also many schemes, like children's park we have done, playground in Dobitala, Jalupara, we have football field, we have volleyball field, badminton field, we have children's park. Before, it was a dance of anti-social elements. It's like a slump, a dumping ground. We have converted it to the play field where 24 hours boys and girls are playing. And Polton Bazaar, there was also a dumping ground. All people from Bara Bazaar and adjoining areas, they come and dump their garbages there. There also we have a scheme with a Nak temple. We have constructed a Nak temple newly, and we have converted that field into a playing field where there are gates from the front and from the back where the society of the Paltan Bazaar they are taking care of. And it has become a multi-purpose ground for all the residents of Paltan Bazaar and Lower Paltan Bazaar.